ever given up buying a piece of clothing or an accessories on an e-commerce because the website was not in your language, or because you could not buy the piece in Swiss francs, or because the size was not corresponding to the format of the standards of your country? With my PhD project at USI, at the Institute of Digital Technologies for Communication, we are trying to answer to these questions. By localization, we mean the process of cultural adaptation of a product or a service, both in technical terms, which means the adaptation of language, currency, seasonality, size, etc. But also in cultural terms, such as the choice of a certain color, which might be considered offensive by a certain audience, or the choice of certain communicative symbols, such as national or religious symbols, which might be considered sensitive for certain communities or cultures, to market a product or to launch an advertising campaign. When we imagine the digital world, in particular e-commerce and social media, we imagine it as having no barriers, since with a very simple click, a product or a service made in the US or in China can reach our houses in less than 24 hours. If this is true from a temporal and spatial viewpoint, this is not always true when we deal with culture and languages. In this sense, my PhD project aims to provide food for thought to fashion companies in order to help them to better balance the standardization and localization dilemma, and to help them avoid reputational damages and also big economic losses.